So hello everyone. Today I will represent Group 9 to talk about the software requirements specification about our topic of the project, learning language through gamification. So there's a list of the members of our group, and today we'll go through five smaller subtopics of this presentation. The first one is the introduction. So our project has four main objectives. The first one is to outline the requirements for language learning platform integrating gamification. The second one is to aims to enhance language acquisition through an engaging and interacting approach. Our project also seeks to overcome the challenge of learning the language in a traditional way, and we also want to aspire to create a supportive learning community within the educational institutions. So our project scope, the first is to provide a comprehensive solution with design, development, and deployment of software tailored for educational institution. The second one is to provide a versatile platform, uh, various caters to various language proficiency levels and age group, and it is also developed with seamless integration and educational compliance. About the product function, our project offers a flexible learning approach, allowing users to choose specific topics, vocabulary sets, grammar lessons, and skill areas tailored to their learning goals and level. It, it will also provide comprehensive lessons crafted to engage with the learners and facilitate active participation. We will also use gamification elements like point scoring, leaderboards, and rewards to motivate the users to having a fun and competitive experience using our app. And our app is also developed with a user-friendly interface, and it will be updated regularly. Regarding the application interface, so our application will have the a interface for the user and the interface panel for the admin. So in the user interface here, you can see that the users can view the course with their description, and they can also click the buttons on the left for viewing the grades to update their profiles, and there's also a search bar for them to search for course and quizzes. With the admin interface, the admin can use this interface to view all the information of all the users' accounts, the progress. They can also manage these accounts by deleting them, banning them. They can also add in courses and questions by clicking the buttons on the left. So our application is provide as an application as an web app. So it is compatible with multiple browsers like Google Chrome, and making it very convenient for users. And by using this browser, it can be accessed by many operating systems like Windows and Linux. The fourth part is detailed requirement. So the first requirement is manage user account. This requirement of the admin, allowing the admin to manage the customer accounts, banning them, unban them, delete or view user progress. This will be triggered when the admin select the view account option to request user statistics. The next requirement is manage question, where admin are allowed to handle, categorize, and perform actions on questions for effective management. The managed cost requirement is pretty similar to the previous requirement. The only difference is that the admin with this requirement are allowed to handle, categorize, and perform actions on courses. Uh, okay. The next one is view and export user progress. Using this requirement, the admin can view the user's learning progress by selecting the user progress reporting option to request the user progress. With the users, first they need to have the sign up availability to the our application. The user can create a new account on the system by providing the basic information, and this information will be stored in a centralized database. Once they sign up for an account, they can log into the system to have to use more features, and later than that, they can update the profile with this requirement. So this requirement involves that the registered users interaction with the system to view and update and manage their account information. They can also view the list of learning courses in the language learning system to choose a course to study. And the last requirements for the user is to search course and view scores. So that it means that the user can search for course and quizzes, and they can view the score of the course or view the score of each quiz in the course. Last but not least is a supplementary specification. So the first one is usability. So our app should provide an intuitive and user-friendly experience for customer. User testing and feedback will be collected by us to continually improve our app usability. Regarding reliability, so the system provides storage of all database on redundant computers, and the reliability of the overall program depends on the reliability of the separate components, so that the main point of system reliability lies in the continuous maintenance and updating of the database. With the securities, we will ensure that users can only use functions and access data appropriate to that user's role, and all communications will be encrypted using SSL with the performance, our product shall take initial load time depending on the internet connection and users and environment. But we will ensure that if they have a stable connection, interactive elements like product filters must respond like in less than 3 seconds. And with availability, we will our system should always be available, meaning that user can access it using a web browser and only restricted by downtime. And in case of a hardware failure or database corruption, we will ensure that a replacement page will be shown, and with normal condition, our web app should be accessible on the website 24/7. And that is the end of our presentation today, and that's the overall overview of our software requirements specification report. The more details we have put in the report, and we have sent it on the teams, and we really hope to hear the feedbacks from the clients as soon as possible. Thank you.